14 nutritious soups to eat after lap band surgery that are easy to digest. After lap band surgery, your body needs soft, gentle, and nutritious foods to help it heal and adapt to smaller meals. Soups are one of the best foods after lap band surgery because they're easy to digest, hydrating, and packed with vitamins and minerals. The key is to choose smooth, pureed soups that are low in fat and easy on your stomach. Here are 14 simple and nourishing soups you can enjoy during recovery. 1. Creamy carrot soup, a soft, sweet blend of carrots and low-sodium broth. It's full of vitamin A to help repair tissues and improve immunity. 2. Broccoli soup, steamed broccoli mixed with broth makes a light and filling soup that supports digestion and keeps you full longer. 3. Butternut squash soup, rich in fiber and antioxidants. This smooth soup is gentle on the stomach and helps reduce inflammation. 4. Chicken bone broth, warm and full of minerals. Bone broth hydrates and helps the body heal faster after surgery. 5. Cauliflower soup, mild in flavor and easy to digest. Cauliflower soup is a low-carb option that won't upset your stomach. 6. Pumpkin soup, creamy pumpkin soup is soothing and full of vitamins that help boost your immune system. 7. Lentil puree soup, a great source of plant protein and fiber. Be sure to blend it until smooth for easier digestion. 8. Tomato basil soup, classic and flavorful. Use low-acid tomatoes to keep it gentle on your stomach. 9. Spinach and potato soup, a smooth mix of spinach and soft potatoes provides iron and energy while being easy to swallow. 10. Zucchini soup, light, watery, and full of vitamins. It's a great choice when you're reintroducing solid foods slowly. 11. Oatmeal soup, soft, warm, and filling. Oatmeal soup is great for calming the stomach and keeping you satisfied longer. 12. Miso soup, made with fermented soy. Miso soup gives probiotics that support healthy digestion. 13. Sweet potato soup, rich in fiber and magnesium. This creamy soup helps regulate digestion and restore energy. 14. Pea soup, pureed peas make a smooth, protein-rich soup that's great for recovery and gentle on the stomach. After lap band surgery, your meals should be light, smooth, and nutritious. These soups are easy to make and kind to your healing stomach. Introduce them slowly, one at a time, and enjoy flavors that comfort your body as it recovers. Always consult your doctor or dietitian before adding new foods to your post-surgery diet. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.